Good morning from Khangsar village. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. Everything packed up. The sun is pretty high up in the morning, already making the valley pretty warm. The idea is that we'll go as close as possible to a Shrinkula Pass, camp somewhere at a higher region so that body is also acclimatized. And tomorrow, early morning, we're able to cross the pass, which will lead to a easier crossing of pass because the water crossing will be a bit less challenging. If we do it today, let's say by afternoon, then somehow the water level might be higher and the chances of the bike falling twice size, it will fall definitely once tomorrow also, but twice size might fall. Left from our beautiful village. अभी ये जो हाईवे है, ये हाईवे तो नहीं है, ये गांव का ही रास्ता है and it just connects to the village, so we have to go all the way till the junction and then connect to the main highway towards Jispa. Early morning, that's वो जो पीक दिख रहा है ना आपको, उसको द लेडी ऑफ किलोंग बोलते हैं. ये कल मुझे पता चला था कि इसको लेडी ऑफ किलोंग बोलते हैं. रीज़न, अगर आप उसको गौर से देखेंगे तो यू कैन सी अ पोस्चर ऑफ अ फीमेल बॉडी ओवर देयर. कल मैं 3 घंटे बैठा था तो मैं आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग एट इट फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 3 आवर्स व्हाइल टेकिंग टाइम लैप्स, बट मुझे कोई लेडी तो नहीं दिखी. बट अगर लेडी, रिस्पेक्ट, आप इतने ऊपर जाके बैठ गए, रिस्पेक्ट. 5 years before, this bridge, which is also known as the Dacha Bridge, did not exist. So we used to go down and cross this river like twice size, and this used to be major water crossing. And now the BRO have done a perfect looking bridge over here. So this straight, if you go ahead, is a Shrinkula, and towards the right is Ladakh, guys. So हमें जाना है सीधा on the new road to Shrinkula. Oh man, are you excited? Woo! Just few years back, there was no road over here. It used to be an entire trail route where people used to trek all the way from Zanskar, Sumdo to Lamaidu. But now this is a fully fledged tarmac 2-lane highway, guys. I think hats off to BRO, man. Hats off to BRO. The entire route has been washed away by water, and I think we are approaching the pass. This is tough, guys. The entire road is just puddles and puddles of water. I think because of summers, because the entire glaciers are melting. Oh man, no, it's something. ये कैसा सा पानी है भाई. Whoa! Oh man, that's the pass. Okay, son, don't worry. You're a champ, boy. Come on. Power, come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah! Yeah! We did it, guys! We did it! We did it! On top of Sinkula, 16,580 feet. I mean, आज से 2-3 साल पहले we didn't even think this pass is gonna be here. We used to come all the way till Sumdo, then walk all the way till here, cross the glacier, go all the way to Kurgyak by foot. But now, since last year, this trail is done, and well, it's not so easy, but at least Zanskar is just accessible. So yeah, welcome to Zanskar Valley. ये क्या रास्ते हैं भैया? I think I should go on top first. पानी में जाना ही पड़ेगा सैयदनाथ. क्या पानी है भाई. Oh. Come on! Come on! Come on! Yeah! Come on! Yeah! Fucking fuck! Woo! Wait, one more! Whoa! One more, last! Ah! 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 All these water crossings are so insane, man. I can't believe, so insane. It's 4:30 p.m. right now, and this is gonna be our camping ground for tonight. Even though the pants are wet, the shoes are wet, the socks are wet, the underwear is wet, but it's okay, because maybe just for a small percentage we might get to see stars at night. And if we do get to see stars at night, then Mount Gomboranjan will shine. So सारे पैसे उस चीज़ को उठा दें, and let's pitch our tent. It was an epic day, man, today. I can't even imagine the things that we have done today. I can't imagine. It's so windy, and we forgot to get fresh water. जो यहाँ पे river वाला पानी है, that's very muddy and it has silica, so we cannot drink that water. And now we don't have any drinking water. But somehow I managed to cook some food, but it's impossible to be outside, man. It's so damn windy. I just hope, man, I'm able to live. Just wanna live tonight. Tomorrow's gonna be a new day, and then we'll see what we can do. सुबह सब कुछ करेंगे, बस के अंदर जाएंगे, get inside the sleeping bag, and yeah, I hope you guys liked the video today. Today was an epic adventure at Shinkula Pass, 16,350, and now we are camping at 15,000 feet, man. Can you imagine? Insane. So do drop a thumbs up and share your valuable comment. I'll appreciate, man. And if you live, then hula. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Adios, guys. Good night. I love you all. Bye bye. This behind me is a 1,000-year-old monastery and one of the most beautiful places here in Zanskar. This is Phuktal Gongpa.